A sum of money doubles itself at compound interest in 15 years. In how much time will it become 8 times? So there is a sum of money, let's say it is P, which has been put at compound interest for say a period of 15 years, and at the end of 15 years the total amount that you get back is double the original amount. So the original amount was P, now it becomes 2P. So now we have to find out as to in how many years where it becomes 8 times the original amount, which is 8P. Now this is again compound interest. So the principal at the beginning of the second year will be the original principal P plus the interest gained for this first year. So I1. Similarly for second year, the principal will become P1 plus the interest for the second year, which is I2, and so on. Now had this been simple interest, we would have said that the increment in the principal is the same for each year, and hence we could have find out the proportion of the number of years with the increment in the principal, and could have easily found out as to within how much time the principal is going to become 8 times. So if it was simple interest, we would have said that in 15 years the interest we have gained is equal to P, because the total amount is 2 times P, which includes the original principal P as well as the interest, which if it was simple interest would have been P, and we want to find out when it becomes 8 times. So that means if we reduce the principal amount from this 8P, so 8P minus P, which is the original principal, then the interest is 7P. So within how many years will it become 7P? So again, cross multiplication, 7P multiplied by 15 is equal to X multiplied by P. So P gets cancelled with P. X is equal to 15 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 105 years. Now for compound interest, the formula for amount is A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now let's take the first case, which is after 15 years the amount is getting doubled. So the amount is 2P, which is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, and n is 15. So P gets cancelled with P. So 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power 15. So let's say this is our first equation. Now we want to find out within how much time will the amount become 8 times. So again, A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So amount is 8 times P. This is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now P gets cancelled with P, so 8 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now 8 is equal to 2 cube, which is equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So 2 can be replaced with this formula because 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 to the power 15. So here we can say 1 plus R by 100 to the power 15, and then 2 cube. So this cube, 1 plus R by 100 to the power 15 cube, is equal to 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. So now this becomes 1 plus r by 100, 15 multiplied by 3, which is 45, is equal to 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. So from this, 1 plus r by 100, 1 plus r by 100 is the same. So this 45 is equal to n. So or n is equal to 45. So based on compound interest, the amount will become twice in 15 years and it will become 8 times in 45 years. However, if it was simple interest, then it would have taken 105 years to become 8 times.